What's up guys, it's Raf in the Rafcave, and this is an unboxing of Netgear's mesh top-end model of an extender. This is the Nighthawk X6S. This is their best mesh router, and what I need is a good extender to go on my second level that's going to work in tandem with the new Nighthawk router I just got. So I want to have that good, consistent one network name across the whole house, and this is Netgear's version of doing this type of thing. So super excited to get really good speed upstairs and be all in one big bubble of Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna unbox this for you, check out what's inside. Let's go. All right guys, here is the extender. Netgear Nighthawk X6S Tri-Mesh Wi-Fi Mesh Extender. Smart roaming, one Wi-Fi name. Works with their existing Wi-Fi, which is cool. Got some specs there, very powerful indeed. Create that one mesh system throughout your whole home. 100% faster, up to dual band range extenders. Ultimate connectivity, FastLane technology. Works with the app. Look at those specs. Beast mode, man, beast mode. All right, let's get this guy opened up. And we'll figure it out. Black pin. Get this all unboxed. Check out what's inside, guys. New technology. All right, from the side here. Don't want to rip it. Don't want to rip it. Smart Start extender, booklet for hooking it up. Do more, another packaging there. Holy cow, this is bigger than I thought, guys. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. For an extender, it's massive. Like the power cord in here. Okay, flip this open. Come on, power brick, don't be shy. Bang. All right, power brick. Okay. This is a gigantic extender here. Got the 4 ports in back, USB power, Netgear. This is like a tower of mesh power. Pretty awesome, guys. Hope it does its thing. It's beefy enough though. Awesome. I'm gonna get this set up, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, here is the extender mesh tower here. Just plugged it in for the first time. So I'm going to run through the app and get it configured to link up with the router downstairs. It's a fine looking tower right there. So hopefully this gives me all the speed I need all over the house. Alright guys, we're all set up. Basically the easy way to connect this extender to your router is press the WPS button on your router, so the light's blinking. Then you go behind here and press the button for WPS, and then you'll see this connect light blinking on and off. And then after a few moments, you'll see the connection, the backhaul, the 2 gigahertz frequencies for Wi-Fi, and it's all connected. So yeah, we're good to go, man. It is rolling. I'm getting some excellent speeds up here. So this thing is fantastic so far. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video of the unboxing and plug-in of the Netgear X mesh extender. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Home theater rules.